Start. A share of the produce of their toil should come back to those who toil. Full stop. The acceptance of profit sharing is an old thing. Full stop. It was accepted by those responsible for the industrial truce 14 years back. Full stop. But we are at to evolve a satisfactory formula. Full stop. The full bench formula of the Labor Appellate Tribunal repeatedly approved and endorsed by the orthodox judges of the Supreme Court is no solution of the problem. Full stop. It just denies the workers their due share in the profits. Full stop. It was because of this peculiar situation that the need of appointment of the bonus commission was accepted by all parties. Full stop. But what we now find is that it has taken them 14 months to decide the terms of reference of the commission, and I do not know when we can expect its report. Full stop. The members of the bonus commission should be directed by the government to find an early solution to this important problem. Full stop. Para. Similarly, I must point out that the delay in the matter of evolving a consolidated scheme of social security for industrial workers is a dangerous thing. Full stop. We have today a number of social security schemes. Full stop. But none of them looks after the workers in his old age. Full stop. The government of Uttar Pradesh made a provision that the discharge of workers because of ill health or old age should be treated as retrenchment. Full stop. But we have now the verdict of the High Court of Allahabad that this cannot be done. Full stop. The result is that while workers in industrial establishments today are covered against the risk of ill health, there is no insurance against the risk of old age. Full stop. There is no scheme of gratuity which the industry has to follow. Full stop. There is no old age pension scheme which the industries in the country have to adhere to. Full stop. The result is that there is a big gap or disparity in the lives of the workers who are in employment and who are out of it, particularly those who are thrown out of employment because of old age or continued ill health. Full stop. Therefore, something should be done about it as soon as possible, and there should be some sort of a scheme to see that the worker, after meritorious service to the industry got at least the equivalent of a retrenchment relief when he retired due to old age or continue ill health. Full stop. There is a pressing problem. Full stop. We know that in Kanpur, industrialists have adopted the practice of terminating the employment of workers merely by giving them 12 days notice. Full stop. The worker is told that he has been found to be unfit. Full stop.